So as you can tell from my video title, I'm going to be unboxing a Pillow Tabby today, the size 26, the large one. And it's one of the older colors because there's a bunch of new colors that have come out now, shearling ones and all that good stuff. But I don't know how I feel about shearling because of taking care of it wise. I feel like leather's easier to care for, so I gravitate more towards those. I hope they come out with more colors or bring back more colors, but the likeliness of that is very slim. So yeah. I got this bag in June, so it's a long time coming for me to unbox this and finally use the bag. Like, I got a problem with buying bags and then not using them. My big crumply bag, because it's been in the bag for a while. Like a while. And then also something cool I'll show you that I saw another YouTuber do with their bag for modifying it, which is pretty cool. I'll show you that as well. So, I got my bag monogrammed, so that's pretty cool. I'll show you guys that, but I would tell you I do not recommend getting any Pillow Tabbies done, because I will show you by removing my tag here. You can see that there's a mark by the O-ring there, or the grommet, like a little kind of gouge in it, which I think was from pressing down this to monogram it, and they didn't line up the letters perfectly. I feel like the spacing between them is not great, but yeah, maybe I'm just picky, but yeah, don't recommend monogramming the pillow tags because they don't do well with that. The material and the delicate leather, they just don't hold up to that. They don't recommend doing it, but the lady did it anyway. I mean, it's a small damage on there, but they didn't recommend doing like large text or a large symbol or anything. So it's just better to get it done on the regular flat tags or get a separate tag done or something, but the pillow tags just go well with the pillow bags. So when I first got this bag, what happened is I ordered it from the Bay, and when it arrived, I'll insert some footage like here or something like that. But basically the leather was like had like little pin marks all through it, like it was dried and almost looked deteriorating or something. Like it just did not look good. I took photos of it and stuff and I was not happy, so I'm like, I have to go in person to pick out one of these bags because of the type of leather it is and how delicate it is. I'm afraid to just order it online and have to keep returning it if it's not good, because like sometimes you have to pay return shipping fees, and I'd rather go in person, see the bag, make sure it's like tip-top shape, because these bags can have dents and stuff too, and like I said, I'm a little bit particular. So yeah, this one we unwrapped to inspect it to make sure it was good. It had one little dent right here. Oh no. Kitty cat. It still has the tag on because I haven't removed the tag yet either. So I'll just show you. It had a dent on the one corner and a little bit of wrinkling on the flap, but like overall was in really good shape. The only other one they had was a display model. Basically a display model's been manhandled by everybody, and I'm like, yeah, I don't really want to get that if I can avoid it. I'd rather have a brand new wrapped one, and this was in the best condition of what they had left. I mean, the bottom's a little bit squished. Oh no, and there's a dent on the back now, possibly from having it stored, like the way I had it stored, but you know, it is what it is. These bags don't, they don't stay perfect. It happened with my other bag too. My mini Pillow Tabby, it got like dents in it and it didn't stay perfect forever. Because I mean, I used it, it was love. So let's take a look inside. So because it's so plush, I feel like the sections aren't that spacious. Yes, it's silica packets, which I'll save, because silica packets are good to save to make sure you don't get moisture in your bags, because that's not good for the leather. Yeah, this is fully factory wrapped and everything, which is good, but like I don't know how much I can actually fit in this bag. I'm gonna have to see. Maybe do a separate video of like what's in my bag video, or possibly switch over my stuff in the same video. We'll see how long the video is. I might make it into two separate ones, but yeah, this is super Like, look how thick it is. So it's like quite narrow because of the divider in the center. You don't get as much spaciousness. And the zipper's working fine. We got the care card in there. There's like a little loose thread on the inside stitching, but hopefully I can like trim that or something. We'll see. What I've seen other people with their bags, the color can chip off them, so that kind of sucks. But yeah, this is the color. Just me posing. Oh my god, the fresh leather smell. Oh no, I'm one of those bag sniffers now. Oh my god. I've become one of them. Ah! This is made of Napa leather. It's very soft and luxurious. I like the leather detail, the puffy leather detail on the C clasp on the front, and that it has a magnetic clip. I prefer flap top bags. I'm not a zipper person. So yeah, I prefer to be able to snap my bag in and out like a snap or magnetic clasps. Those are the best in my opinion. So the details of this bag, it's got no back pocket or exterior pocket. All the storage is on the inside, so I'll show you guys that. And I'll also show you like how thick the bag is. Oh my god, I got a massive dust bag from the lady because she's like, would you like a bigger dust bag to fit your Pillow Tabby? Like, hold on, let me just go in my own dust bag. Like, it's so freaking big. It's massive. I mean, there's big and then there's really, really big. I could fit like 4 Pillow Tabbies in this, although I wouldn't want to stack them for color transfer or rubbing or anything like that. So yeah, that's how long it is and how thick it is from the outside. But when you see it inside, oh, and look at the detail here. I love this detail. How it's attached to the leather. It's really substantial hardware, and I'd like the brass color. I think it looks more expensive than some of the like warmer tone gold. Also, I can't wait to show you the different strap options that you can do and stuff. This is the inside. I'm so gentle with my bags. Like this. Like, I suppose you could like squeeze some stuff in there. We're gonna see what fits after. But this is like a very narrow pouch, so I would probably put like masks in there, like thin things basically. I wouldn't like put anything big in there. And then like, yeah, just the essentials. We're gonna see if my wristlet that I got at the same time will fit as well, if it's tall enough of a bag. But yeah, it's got the basic Coach thing going on. It's got the story patch. It's in a dark brown leather, which would have been cute if they like matched the leather instead of doing the dark brown, but yeah, it's fine. And then it's all Napa leather inside as well, except for the inside of the zipper pouch is a fabric with the Coach pattern on it. So yeah, it's really nice. I love it. Now I show you the straps. Wait a minute, did they give me both straps? Oh, they did, okay. I was like, where's the baby strap? So here's the baby strap, as I call her. It's nice. It's plush, squishy. So it's like soft, it feels nice and soft for a shoulder strap. It's really nice. And this other YouTube called the Handbag Housewife, she suggested getting these chain extensions, and you just clip them on like this. They're not quite the same size, but they're like similar color, so you can do like this without these extensions. It like makes the purse sit right under your armpit, and then it's like you're gonna sweat on your purse, or at least I'm gonna sweat on my purse and also squish my purse with my arm, which I don't want to do. I'll more likely be using it with the shoulder strap chain like this, or I'll do crossbody. Something I noticed too, because of like when the clips sit on the thing, they kind of bump and dent the flap a little bit, which is kind of a bummer. You can see like this, that, oh, I put this one on backwards, but yeah, this like This is gonna dent in to the flap and just presses against it. So I notice when I take the strap off, it creates a dent, which sucks because this is so like prone to denting and stuff. One of the reasons like I actually am kind of disappointed in the bag is it doesn't stay perfectly plush forever, but I guess that's just, you know, how it is. So yeah, if you didn't have this extender, let me just push my chair out of the way, then what would happen is so much higher and it would be sitting right under my armpit. But I can show you how that would look like as well. But yeah, the chain extender that Handbag Housewife recommended, like 10 out of 10. It definitely, they work on a lot of bags to just like kind of elevate a plain strap. It makes it look more exciting. And me with my plain outfit, yeah, I need that elevating. I'm just wearing this t-shirt that I got from a tattoo convention years ago, made by this artist, Corey Ferguson. He makes really cool art. And then I got these sweatshirts from Walmart, so I'm rocking like the plainest outfit right now, but this purse jazzes it up for sure. And I think because coral is like a shade of orange, it'll be really cute for fall. Halloween season, my favorite time of the year, the most wonderful time of the year. Let me show you the crossbody. Unwrap the crossbody strap. So also, I bought these shelves from IKEA to put like super high up on my wall to put my purses on because I have cats. And also I don't want to just store them willy-nilly in the closet and then have them get dented or anything, especially with these bags. I want to make sure they're on display. The quilted bags are my favorite, but they're so prone to denting and scratches and stuff, so you have to literally baby them, so my children get displayed on the shelf. So yeah, this was final sale, and of course I bought it months ago, so yeah, I can't return it now. But oh, I hate trying to remove this plastic though. Like, it's too much plastic. But yeah, this is the strap. It seems really long as my arms. Longer than my arms. And of course it's adjustable, so it's just got stitching detail on the edges and a buckle. It's like a decently thick strap, so it's very sturdy. I kind of like thinner straps personally, but I don't know if they would work for this size of a bag. But yeah, just a plain kind of strap. It's cute. Hopefully I can take good care of this bag and not have any problems with it, with chipping of the color or anything. So I always make sure to, instead of having these latches faced inwards, to have them faced outwards, just so that it's not going to extra dent the flap, because I really just don't want those dents. So yeah, you can obviously adjust it, but I'm pretty tall, so it like sits at a good height for me. Ugh. And then crossbody, it's nice. I kind of like my bags to sit a bit higher, like high up, so this is a good spot for me. And then maybe like, I don't know if I would lower it, because like when it's low, when I'm walking and my hips move back and forth, it like bounces, and I don't like my bags going bong bong. Anyway, that's a me problem. But yeah, this is so cute, so cute. Also, I have a beat bag, so I wanted to try something. I wanted to try decorating it with my beat bag chain to see how that would look. Now, a beat bag chain is like really heavy, so it could possibly dent the bag as well. But we'll see how low it hangs. And everything. Well, that's not bad actually, where it sits. That's cute. That jazzes it up a little bit. So you can have it plain, or you can just like elevate it a bit with the chain. That's cute. And because of the fact it's Napa leather in a pillow bag, it's like super lightweight on its own. It's probably one of my lightest bags if you don't include the smaller Pillow Tabby. So yeah, like that's super cute. I'll definitely be rocking it with the chain that really... And I'll just show you guys how the regular shoulder strap works without the addition of the chain. So you can see how high it's gonna sit. Oh. I also got extra chain extenders in the gunmetal, and I got them in silver as well, but the gunmetal doesn't really match the retail bag. It might only match the gunmetal of the outlet gunmetal bag. So yeah, it's with no chain attached, it's super light. But like, look how high that is. You have to literally, if you do it like this, it's literally under your armpit. I mean, it's cushiony, but you're literally gonna flatten the bag, and I'm not about that life. So pretty much you'd have to go like this, and I don't know, who wears their bag like this? Tell me. Tell me who. Tell me why. Yeah, that's my new bag. One of my new bags. I have more new bags that I gotta unbox. This one's just from months and months ago during their early summer sale, I guess. So yeah, Pillow Tabbies, they are a yes for me, but I have started to favor their other quilted bags that have more stitching to them, because I feel like the quilting is going to hold up more, not dent as much. It's not going to be as pillowy and take away from the actual space you get in the bag. Because like, yeah, there's not a lot of space. Next time I will post a video of what fits in my bag, what's in my bag, what I carry in my bag, because I'm gonna transfer all my stuff over to this bag now. So yeah, pretty exciting. As well, the bag's gonna take its place on my shelf when I'm not using it, like rather than hanging it up on my coat rack thing. Normally, like, I'll hang some of my bags on there, but if it's quilted, no, it goes on the shelf. Even if I'm currently using it and it has my stuff in it, I'm like, we are not risking dents, we are not risking scratches. Nothing. I refuse. These are my precious, and I baby them. I baby them. And these tags are so cute and squishy, but I don't even want to squish them and ruin their squishiness because they're too perfect and too beautiful. But I wonder what it would have been like if rather than doing black trim, they chose different colors. Because I mean, it looks good, but like, it'd be cool to see them do like different color edging. I don't know what this is called, like a seal or something. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, thank you guys for watching another unboxing video, unbagging video, purse video, whatever you want to call it, review, haul, I don't know. And subscribe if you like purse content and art, because I make art as well. I'm an artist. I do digital traditional art, a lot of stuff inspired by tattoos and optical illusions, anime. As you can see in the background, that's some of my art. That's some of my art. There's some more of my art over there. Another piece of art in the corner, the purple one. Oh, and this is my drawing tablet. I draw on this when I do digital art on the computer, so that's pretty cool. I love it. It's really great. Subscribe and comment and like if you liked the video, and I will see you in my next video showing you what's in my bag and showing you some of my other bags I got recently, and another one that's on the way and should be arriving today, which I'm super excited about, another pillow bag. So I'm super excited to show you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!